Hello guys, it's your boy Good Life guys. How you guys doing? It's your boy Good Life guys. I hope you guys had a beautiful weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing great because right now we are in a new week and we are looking forward to enjoying good profits this week, guys. Remember guys, I posted a trade signal. I posted a trade analysis on gold and German 30 telling you guys that if it breaks above my level that I'm going for a a buy, and if it breaks below my level I am going for a sell, guys. So now let's dive into my screen. Let me show you guys the updates on those trades, guys. Yep, there you have it. Here you have it, guys. Yep, this is gold trade, guys. So guys, I am currently on a buy trade on gold, guys. I took this trade this morning. I took this trade this morning, guys. I took this trade this morning, guys. Yep, I took this trade this morning, guys. So now let's get on to the daily time frame, guys. Remember guys, I told you guys that if gold is to break above this level, that was going to be involved in a buy. If you follow my videos, I told you guys that if gold is to break above this level, that I'm going to be involved in a buy on gold. Or if gold is to break below this level, I was also going to be involved in a sell on gold, guys. But I can clearly see that gold didn't break below this level, rather gold broke above this level, telling me that yes, I am ready for a buy. Now let's scale down to the weekly time frame, and guys, you can currently see, let me make this clear a bit. Let me make this clear. Yep, you can currently see that, guys, gold created a higher high. Now let's use the line chart. Yeah, you can currently see that gold created what they call higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, and gold ready to push for a higher high, guys. Now since we can see this on gold now, and currently now, I was so lucky, or I can say we are so lucky that we met gold at this point of retracement. We met gold at this point of retracement, guys. We met gold at this point of retracement, guys. So now let me take it back to the candlestick charts. Now let's look at this area of price, this retracement of price, because now the line chart has told us that this week here does not exist. A week is just like price trying to tell you that I was there but I'm not there. I was there but I'm not there. But rather we can see that this was the new highs that was created, not this one. This was the new highs that was created, and gold came back to like retest, to create what they call a higher low. And now let's focus on that higher low that was created. So now I scale down to the daily time frame, and remember guys, I used two confirmations to enter a trade. I use break of counter trend line and break of structure, guys. There's something amazing that I'm going to show you guys right now. Something so amazing I'm going to show you guys right now. So I saw this break of structure, guys. Go created this structure. Yep. Go created this temporary downtrend, or you can call it a higher low. Go created this from here, a lower low, a lower high, and gold could not come back to create a lower low, rather created what they call a higher low. And now gold was about to push for a higher high when this happened, when this movement happened, when all this happened. So now when I saw that gold broke above my counter trend line, I didn't take this trade because I saw that gold broke above with a candle. If you go to scale down to the 4 hours, you see a candle close above here. I didn't take this trade. Why? Because I used two confluence. It must be a break of the counter trend line and also break of structure. So I waited for gold to break above this structure to confirm that gold is ready for a buy. But rather gold refused to break above this structure. Rather gold came here, tested here, went back up, came down again, broke above my counter trend line, and refused to break above this previous structure. Rather retested that structure, came back down again, and now gold broke above that structure today. So now if you can clearly look at what I'm marking, what another thing I use as a good confirmation to enter this trade, guys, I saw a head and shoulder pattern. This is shoulder. You have clone again, another shoulder, a clone again, Yep. And this is the head. Simple as that, guys. Price action made easy. So we have this head and shoulder pattern. We have this shoulder, and the head. So now I waited for a break of this structure. When I saw this, I waited for a break of structure on the 4 hours time frame. So I scaled down to the 4 hours time frame. Let me currently remove this. So I love a clean chart. I love a clean chart. I don't like a messy chart. I love a clean chart. Yep. So now I scaled down to the 4 hours time frame and I saw this candle. Let me shift this. I saw this candle forming. Let me remove this too. I saw this candle forming, and when I saw this candle, I knew that gold is ready for a change of direction. When I saw this candle forming and I saw this close, there you have it. I took my trade. That was where, at the close of that candle, that was where I took my trade. And guys, believe me that right now this trade is already on break even. I'm already break even on this trade right now. So now the next thing I'll be doing now is, let me currently delete this one. Yep. The next thing I'll be doing, I would like to add at least one more position on this trade. I would love to add at least one more position on this trade. So I'll accompany the new trend with a trend line. I'll accompany the new trend with a trend line. That anytime it comes back to kiss this trend line, to test that trend line, I'll enter another position. Anytime it comes back to test that trend line, I'll go in another position. So that is it on gold. Guys, I am on a buy on gold. Gold created good structure for me, and there you have it. I capitalized on it, and right now I am already break even on this trade, guys. I always come with the best and the best analysis for you guys. So now let's move on to the next pair. And the next pair is German 30, guys. I am still on a big sell on German 30, guys. So now let's go to the weekly time frame and let me explain why I am still on a sell on German 30. So now you can clearly see, I always tell you guys that German 30 created a big retracement around there. German 30 created a big rejection. German 30 created a big rejection around there. Let me zoom in currently so that you see it. Yep. German 30 created a big rejection around there. This is on the weekly time frame. German 30 came here, rejected and came down, went back up, rejected with this big wick, came down again. Now German 30 tried again last week to break above this level but could not. So now I am looking at the daily time frame, and I can see I applied my counter trend line, and yes, I saw that German 30 broke my counter trend line. German 30 broke my counter trend line with this big red bearish candle on the daily time frame. But now German 30 broke my counter trend line but did not break any level. So while I am patiently waiting, I am waiting for German 30. It created a level, so I'm waiting for German 30 to break below this level. But guys, this is on the daily time frame, and if it's to break this level, we won't be able to keep our stop loss above here. So now I scale down to the daily time frame to refine my entry. So now I can see this level. This is my marked level, and I can see this area that could not break above this previous high to create a new high. That is, German 30 from here created what we call higher high, a higher low, higher high, a higher low, but created a high that could not break above this high, making it not to be called a higher high. Rather, created what they call a lower high for a lower low. Right. So now at this retracement, I will apply my counter trend line and my structural break so that I'll be able to get a clinical entry. So now you can see it. Yep. German 30 came back and tested this counter trend line here and pushed back up, also leaving a good structure around there. So now guys, the entry is refined. The update on GE30 is that I've brought a refined entry, guys, and this is on a 4 hours time frame. We should just wait for a candle close below here, a candle close below here, breaking the counter trend line and also breaking this structure, and there you have it. We are in on this pair for a sell. I am now 70% on a sell on GE30, guys. I am now 70% on a sell on GE30. So guys, that's the updates on GE30. That's the update on GE30. I am on a sell on GE30. Like we said, on the weekly time frame, GE30 created 3 rejections at this major level, at this major resistance level. So now I scale down to the daily time frame, and like I showed you guys, GE30 on the daily time frame broke this overall trend, but did not break any structure. And so we scale down to the 4 hours time frame to look in depth inside of this trend, and we saw that GE30 created what they call higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but could not break above to create new highs. Rather created what they call a lower high and is about to create what they call a lower low. It's simple structure, guys. It's simple structure. So now, how will I be able to enter this trade is how I told you guys that I use 2 confluence to enter a trade: break off counter trend line and break off structure, guys. So right now I've applied my counter trend line and I've applied my structure. So we should wait on our hands and wait for, I love a clean chart, and wait for GE30 to break below here. We need to see a break below, a candle close below this counter trend line and this level, and there you have it. We are in on this trade for a sell. Like I said, I am 70% on a sell on GE30, guys. 70%, guys. So now that's for GE30, and let me go to the last pair for you guys. The last pair for you guys is US30, guys. I am still very bullish on US30 because I love it when I see a retracement on US30. I love it when I see a retracement on US30 because I know that I'll be buying very soon. So now guys, this is the daily time frame, and what we are looking at right now is a retracement. US30 coming to test this overall trend line. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see where the trend line is coming from. Yep, the trend line is coming from here. This is the overall trend line which I marked on the weekly time frame. So now we scale down to the daily time frame, and now we can see that US30 is retracing to come and retest this trend line. Yeah, US30 is waiting to come and retest this trend line, and now on the daily time frame I can see that US30 has created a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and it's creating a lower high. Let's see if US30 can come back and retest this trend line or break above from here. Yep, come back to retest this trend line or break above from here. Any which way, we are all in, guys. We are all in. So I am on a buy on US30, but my buy is still, I'm still splitting it into half, 50-50, guys. I'm still 50-50 on that buy on US30, guys. So guys, I've come to tell you guys that you guys should get ready because I'll be dropping a trade signal on US30. When US30 is ready, I'll be dropping a trade signal. So you guys should be at alert because I'll be dropping a trade signal on US30 very soon. So guys, it's your boy Good Life. I've come with US30, I've come with GE30, but guys, I didn't even come with gold. We are running a trade on gold, guys. Believe me guys, I post everything evidence here. I give you all the evidence here that Good Life, we ain't playing, guys. We ain't playing, guys. So do well to subscribe to my channel, to turn on the bell notification icon, that anytime I send in a video, YouTube will send you a notification that yes, Good Life has dropped a video. And also do well to give this video a good thumbs up, to like this video. It will help the channel grow. And also do well to comment and tell me how you see this video, guys. So it's your boy Good Life.